say to you, I need bullets, not a riot. Only the dead see the end of war. The people serve it doesn't hide. USA, I say to you, I said I need a bullet, not a riot. Please help us if you care. Yes, I know you're on my side. We were the third safest nation said to be. Faust, Soviet gets left behind. We want to be a democracy and offered a false security. On the day that we were broken free from the Soviet hypocrisy, we traded a forest of shiny nukes for 4 pages. Yes, we were screwed. World's called the Budapest Memorandum. Do you memorandum that? Valadamere Putin tore it up, that scummy kleptocrat. He says he wants to kill me first and all those I hold dear. Not easy to make a joke of that. Our path is very clear. So USA, I say to you, I need bullets, not a riot. 'Cause only the dead see the end of war. Yes, I know you're on my side. I'll ask you, yes, have our back and nowhere else to go. We rely on our own tenacity and the hope of NATO. USA, I say to you, I need bullets, not a riot. 'Cause only the dead see the end of war, and the people's servant doesn't hide, and the people's servant doesn't hide, and the people's servant doesn't hide. Okay, first take. Let's see if it worked.